Hello everyone, you are going to attempt a quiz of English advanced level. You people have to attempt the quiz and mention your marks in the comment section. If you are new to my channel, you people have to subscribe to the channel and share it. We are going to start now. Thank you so much. She is dash honest person and always tells dash truth no matter what dash situation is. There are four options. Choose the correct options. B is the correct answer. They have been living dash London dash 5 years. The correct answer is B. The cat jumped dash the fence and ran dash the garden. There are four options. B is the correct answer. We need to buy dash loaf of bread and dash bottle of milk from store. Choose the correct answer. The correct answer is B. She wants to become dash artist and live in dash big city like dash Paris or New York. Choose the correct option. A is the correct answer. He was tired dash working all day and decided to rest dash the evening. Choose the correct option. C is the correct option. She was excited dash her promotion and thanked everyone dash their support. Choose the correct option from these four options. A, B, C, D. C is the correct option. He walked dash the street and turned dash the corner. Choose the correct option from A, B, C, D. Correct option is C. He gave her dash article that he borrowed from dash library last week. Choose the correct option from A, B, C, D. The correct option is B. They have been living dash London dash 5 years. Choose the correct option from A, B, C, and D. So the correct option is B. Thank you so much for watching. These are the 10 questions. Please count your marks and mention in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.